To export Monday.com pulses, you need to follow a series of steps that enable you to download your data for further analysis or backup. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board that contains the pulses you want to export. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen and select the export option. This will open a new window where you can choose the type of export you want to perform, such as exporting all items, a specific group, or a specific item. Select the pulses you want to export and choose the format, which can be CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. You can also choose to include or exclude certain columns, such as item name, status, and due date. Once you have selected the pulses and format, click on the Export button to start the export process. Depending on the size of your board, this may take a few seconds or minutes. When the export is complete, you will receive a notification and a link to download the exported file. Click on the link to download the file to your computer. It is a good practice to export your pulses regularly to ensure that your data is safe and up to date. You can also use the exported data to analyze your workflow, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. To get the most out of exporting Monday.com pulses, make sure to organize your board and pulses in a logical and consistent manner. This will make it easier to select the pulses you want to export and analyze the data. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily export your Monday.com pulses and make the most out of your workflow data. Exporting your pulses is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes, and it provides valuable insights into your workflow and data.